Good evening, everyone. My name is Nasrullah Islam, the facilitator of this course. So, as I said, today we should continue on Bybit app application. Okay, let me open my Bybit app application. So, as I promised you last time, so we should run in one signal today. So, please, everybody should take note and see how I can run in this signal. So, this is my Bybit app. So, you should close this now. So, come to this derivative. Click on that derivative. So, normally, let me show you my signal. Let me show you the signal that I can use it. So this is a signal that I can use it. So if you check it, you can see long set cross is cross 10, then marketing, sorry, current market price, and then TP. This TP is taking price, while this one is stop loss. So this is the normal signal that we can run it in my derivative. Okay, let me back to my listing test. Okay, sorry. Okay, so click on derivative again. So come to this place now, search, come to this, you can see it now is what, say. So you can search, oh god, sorry. Okay, come to derivative. Okay, let me search. So anything that you want to be searched here now, you can search. It's depend in it's dependent this thing that I was giving you. It's dependent USDT name that I was giving you. So you can say okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, you can search, say, oh, sorry, I need to reset something first. Okay, so let me say, let me use capital. Okay. So you can see it here now. So come to this chart, no need to use that one, come to that trade because we want to run a trade. So you can see the first one. If you remember it, this is cross 10. You can see it's cross 10. So you can come to this thing, you can see some cross here now. So you can see this is how we can change this thing. If it is cross 5 or cross so this thing, so that's how we can use it to increase. That's how we can use it to increase. But normally we can use cross 10 for beginning. Let me compound. So we will not change anything. We can say okay. So you can see we will not change anything apart from this. So change this one to market. So normally it is in market now. So please, you can scrolling this thing. Sorry, you can move in this thing. You can move in this thing. You can move in this thing. Let's suppose, let me move it here. Because according to this price, if you have less than 4%, that's why we can see your available dollars. This is where you can see your available dollar. You can see my own is 0.7, sorry, 0.3377. So this account is for practical. That's why you not see too much dollar on this one. So the way this is where you can see your available balance. This is where you can see your available balance. And we can see this is a what, this is the value, and this is the what, cost. So consider with this cost. So my dollar that I was buying here is what, 0.2765. This is my what, this is my dollar that I was buying for this trade. And remember that according to what I see it here now, we say is what, use current price. This is the current price. This big number that you have seen now, this big number that you have seen now is a what, is a current price. So that's the current price. So that means we need to enter the market on this current price. So after you finish that one, come to set, we can see something TP and RSL. Sorry, TP and what, SL. So click on that one because we need to be setting this thing. So please take note on this place. Remember that we are using two things, long and what, short. We are using two things, long and short. So according to this now, no need, according to the signal that was giving us, we can using long. That is buy. Do you understand? So we can see this is a what, short. So anyone that was giving you, make sure that if it is long, come to this place, setting your take profit and what, stop loss. That is TP is take profit, and then SL is means stop loss. So you can come to this place and check this now. So if it is long, you can use this place, and if it is short, click it to this place, so that don't go and setting this in, because the more you setting in this in, we can say that we are setting this thing in a what, in a different direction. So normally now, normally if you are doing this business now, whether you are giving this one or not, whether you are giving TP or stop loss, remember that what do you mean for this TP and stop loss? TP means take profit. So the more I setting in this thing, if you, let's say for instance now, if I enter market, the more I enter market, if I take a lot of profit, if I take a lot of profit, so for that profit that you was got it, and let's say for instance the market is so good, so we are getting a lot of what, a lot of profit, a lot of profit. So that's why we can set in your what, TP, to say that if my market was reaching, let's say for instance like my TP is 100%, so if my market is reaching the 100% out of my dollar that I was enter the market, so the market was what, tough, that is the profit is enough to me. Do you get me? That is, if you enter the market and the market is so good, so if you setting your TP as in what, as in take profit, so if the market is good, let's for instance now, if you are setting this as 100%, so what I mean here is, if my profit is reaching to my what, dollar that I was enter the market, so you have, the market will be what, tough. I don't need any, sorry, I don't need another profit out of what, 100%. That's what you mean for this what, taking TP. Then the market, if the market is so good and reaching to that 100%, it will what, automatically stop. Do you get me? That is the market, it will what, automatically stop. So you have to moving your DC like this, moving your DC like this, moving your DC like this. So we can see this is the what, 100%. Do you get me? This is the 100%. We can see here the percentage is what, 100, and we can see the what, last is what, 0.7534. Then after that, come to this plate, setting your what, stop loss. So please, you have to differentiate between two things. Take profit is your own profit. Then stop loss is your loss. Remember that if you are doing forex trading, you must do two things: take profit and loss. I'm not giving you the signal that say 100% we can get, so you can get profit. Some you can get lost. So that's why we are setting in two things: take profit and what, and stop loss. That's the more we reach so this thing, so the market will what, automatically stop. That's, let's say for instance if the market is bad, so let's say for instance you are using like $100, sorry, like 10 USD. That's why I say from beginning now. Let's say for instance if you have 20 USD in your account, no need to enter market with that 20 USD. Let's say for instance at least you need to use 5. Keep your remaining what, $15. Because the more you enter with that 20, so if the market is so bad and you are sleeping, so if you come back again, you will not see any that $20. All these things, the market is what, it was destroyed this year. So at least we need to use $5. Do you get me? So if you are setting stop loss, let's say for instance you enter market with $10. So if the market is so good, so you see this one is what, 100%. That's, let's say for instance if I enter market with what, $10. So the more my profit is reaching to what, $100. That means enter market with $10, making to another 100%. That's making to what, 20. That's, and I was taking additional profit of what, $10. That's making what, 100%. But for here now, if you are setting a stop loss, normally in business now, we can setting in stop loss in what, minus 50, minus 50, minus 50, minus 50. Because let's say for instance now, if you enter market with what, with $10, with $10, so if the market is so bad, if the market is so bad, that is, the market is no good, so for that $10 that you are using now. So if the market is so bad, it's so bad. For that 50% that you are setting in now, it means that if the market is reaching or you lost $5 out of that $10, so the market it will automatically stop. That is the market, it will be automatically stop. Do you get me? Let's say for instance now, the reason why that we are setting this in case maybe your phone is not charging, or you need to do something, or you want to be sleep. So setting this in now, if if your take profit is 100%, the market it automatically stop. And if the market is no good, that is just a bad. So the more losing you lose money over. So the more we reach that what 50%, so the market it automatically what stop. Do you get me? So after you finish that one, so click confirm. So if you click confirm now, what next? Remember that, check this in now. We can see two things. Long is what? Buy, as I said. Sell is what? Is short. So remember that according to the signal that was giving us is what? It's long. So you can click on what? Long. So you can see it now. The market is what? Is so good. Sorry, the market is what? It start running. The market is what? It start running. Do you get me? So remember that if you see this red, so that means the market is not what? Is no good. Sorry. If you see this red, the market is not good. But if you see what green, that's the market is good. The market is good. All this one now your money is lost. All this one that you can see, all this red that you are seeing, your money is lost. That your money is lost. But the more market be a what? Red. So you are start getting what? You are start getting a lot of money. A lot of money. You are generating money. You are generating money. So my money now is still going. My money is what? Is still going. So that's why I say that if you enter market, make sure that don't use your money on. Use some. Use some. So they have something that we can call it as DCA. So I will show you and I'll explain all these things, all these procedures, how to do this maybe in the next class. So that's how this now. So I'll explain all these things, liquidation and the market price and the other things. So that's what is supposed to be considered for this. So please, if you have another question, you should contact me about this thing now. And remember that the registration is still ongoing. The registration is still ongoing. The registration is still ongoing. So have a nice day. Thank you all.